Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to completely remove Docker along with all container, image, volume and even configuration from any Ubuntu based system or Ubuntu based server. So let's clean things up. First of all, open terminal and check out the command docker ps. This lists all the running container. Now let's stop and remove them. First of all, stop all container. Stop. Okay, I have 3 container and all the container has stopped. Now remove all the container. And now remove all the Docker image. The F flag forces removal even if the image is in use. And now remove all the volume. Okay, now check. See it. No container and no image art, and that's it. Your system is now Docker free and clean. If help out